सांची public awareness campaign.
I mean, whatever it is, we go as per the rules and regulations of the court, whatever the court has suggested. And I welcome the judgment of the High Court because many times they have said that we should use the approach of rationalization. The court has also upheld the act brought under 39A. So whatever the court says, we always accept. We have to go by what the judicial suggestions also are. It is not something that always you can say that whatever you are doing is the tweaks, the rules, regulations. There's no harm. You must be very accepted. You must be in a very adoptive manner. You have to look at what the court's view is and go ahead. What's the big thing? I mean, ultimately, court has suggested it has upheld the section. They said to frame new rules and bylaws, and they have given certain framework. They have given certain ideas. It's a very good thing, and we are doing it, and we'll go forward. Now, there are people who are become habitual. त्यांचे विचारधारा वेगळी असू शकतात. ते कंटिन्युअसली प्रत्येक विषयाचे दमणार असो, डबल ट्रॅकिंग असो, प्रत्येक गोष्टीचे ते विरोध करतात. त्यांची विचारधारा वेगळी असू शकतात. डेव्हलपमेंट ओरिएंटेड अँड प्रोग्रेसिव्ह स्टेट इज समथिंग दॅट वी नीड टू लुक ॲट. अँड वी ऑल्सो शुड बी व्हेरी ओपन हार्टेड इन वेलकमिंग अ कोर्ट जजमेंट अँड अकॉर्डिंगली ट्वीकिंग अँड गोईंग बाय द कोर्ट. इफ द कोर्ट जजमेंट ऑल्सो इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल टू देम, I don't know what to say. I don't want to comment on this. These are all matters pertaining to the law. It is pertaining to the judiciary, it is pertaining to the judgment. These things are best not spoken about. And as a government, we should be open to accept suggestions that are being made.
तुम्ही फुल लिगली करता सर ना? तुमचे फुल लिगली असतात.
आम्ही आजपर्यंत सगळे केलं ते लिगलीच केल्या. आणि जे कितें लिगली आणि लोकांचे ल्हान जे आवाज आम्ही दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो जे गोंयच्या लोकांक जे रिजनल प्लॅन 2021 तांकां आवाजूच नाशिल्लो त्या लोकां खातीर करपाक. पूण तेणी तेज्या खातीर बी एक मोडस ऑपरेंडी दिला, रॅशनलायझेशन. म्हणजे कोणी एप्लिकेशन केल्यार तेजे कुशीक बी जर एरिया आहा ते बी कन्सिडर करपाक जाय. पूण ते सगळे समजून घेवन कायद्या अनुसार आमी ते करपाचो ते सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसतलो.
सर कॅबिनेट येऊ शकलो कितें
म्हाका खबर ना.